Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how we can make heart shape photo frame in Canva. So I will show you the step by step process. So let me start the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Canva. So what we can do, go to the elements here and search for frames. Okay, here go to the frames. Here you can see that hard shape frames. Go here and go to the, okay, just select that frames. Okay, here we have that one frames only, so you can search for hard frames here. Okay, we have all that hard frames. Okay, so you can put okay, you can select your hard frames from here. Okay, just select this. And now you can go to the upload. You can upload your own photo from here, or you can search photos from Canva only. You can upload own photo from here. Once you upload, you can see your photo here. Now you can just select that and put on the frame. You can also put that background on the frame, that outline you can see, or if you want to customize it, double click on it. You can see you can drag your photos like this. So you need to just drag that photos left, right, or that bottom or top like this, or make sure which part you want to show on this frame. After, just click on done. If you want to replace this photo, just right click on it, detach it, select that photo, delete it, and put another photo like this. Okay, so that is how you can create the heart shape frames, photo frames. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.